Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So let me show you something that you might finding to fix. So I'm tapping in the F8 key to put my PC into the boot menu to show it. So I'm going to be selecting my USB disk to install the Windows 11. So I'm continuously pressing the F8 key. And you see here my USB disk. I'm selecting this USB disk to boost my PC to the Windows 11 disk. And now I'm going to be installing Windows 11. Okay, so the PC puts to the Windows disk, installation disk. Now I'm tapping on the next, and I agree everything. Next, I don't have a product key. And then it is checking. So I'm selecting Windows 11 Pro. And when I do the next, it shows me this error. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. The PC must support TPM 2.0. So basically, I have this large, gaming PC, but still it's giving this error. So it's because of the BIOS setting. We need to change some of the BIOS settings to fix everything up. Now simply tap on this close button to close everything up, and so if we're going to restart, now I'm going to be tapping on the F2 button repeatedly. You also need to tap on the F2 key repeatedly so it goes on the BIOS menu. So as you can see now, I think it's all done. Yeah. So we see here, cancel it. So we see here all the BIOS menu. The first thing first that you want to do is go to this exit button. And you need to do load optimized default settings. Tap on this OK button. Right. Now we're going to be going into the advanced feature. And after going into the advanced feature, come into the PCH-FW configuration right here. You see this PTT, this thing. So you might see here the disable, or we have already loaded the optimized settings, so it automatically come into the enable feature, right? So all we need to do is to enable this feature in order to install the Windows 11, because this is the PTT settings, TPM 2.0 settings. We need to enable this. So now simply tap on this exit button and save the changes and reset. Okay, you see here. So it's come up this we did the changes from disable to enable. We have enabled it. Now tap on the OK button. All right, now the system we're going to restart, and we're going to tap on the boot key, which is F8. Right, we need to tap on it repeatedly to put our PC on boot menu. Oh my goodness. So definitely now your issue is going to be resolved. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, now here it is, our USB key. Oh my god, you see the logo, Republic of Gamers, and we have a loading bar. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the Windows screen comes up now. I'm going to be going to the next, and I agree everything will be deleted, and then next again. I don't have a product key. Okay, and definitely now we're going to move to the next screen where we need to format our disk. And we can now install a fresh piece of Windows 11 on our PC. So that's all the tutorial how to fix this error. Now what you're gonna do, you can select any of your partition and go to the next step and install Windows 11. Thank you.